Welcome back to my channel. What if two ordinary state quarters hiding in your collection could hold some of the most fascinating stories in American history? Today, we're diving into the legendary 1999 Connecticut State Quarter and the historic 1999 Georgia State Quarter. Millions of these coins were released into circulation, but only a handful of collectors truly appreciate the history, symbolism, and hidden collector appeal behind them. Before you spend another quarter, stay with me until the end, because these two coins prove that sometimes the most overlooked pocket change carries the biggest surprises. The coin number one, the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter, is far more than a simple 25-cent coin. It is a symbol of history, resilience, and one of the most exciting moments in modern American coin collecting. When this quarter first entered circulation, millions of people saw it as ordinary pocket change. Yet hidden within its design was a story stretching back centuries. Featuring the famous charter oak and the date 1788, this coin connected Americans to a powerful chapter in the nation's past. Over time, collectors began to look at it differently, recognizing that even the most common-looking coins can hold extraordinary appeal when history and preservation come together. The release of the Connecticut Quarter marked the beginning of a new era for coin collecting. For decades, most Americans paid little attention to their quarters, but everything changed when the state quarters program arrived. Suddenly, people across the country were searching through their change, hoping to find each new design. Connecticut was among the first states honored in the series, giving this quarter a special place in the hearts of collectors. It became one of the coins that launched a nationwide collecting phenomenon and inspired millions of people to look more closely at the money they handled every day. The image of the charter oak gives this quarter a unique identity. Long before the coin existed, the charter oak became a legendary symbol of freedom and determination. Its story was passed down through generations, representing the courage to protect important rights and principles. By placing this historic symbol on the quarter, the designers transformed an ordinary coin into a miniature monument. Every Connecticut quarter carries that legacy, making it much more than a piece of metal. It became a storyteller that fit in a person's pocket. Most Connecticut quarters experienced years of circulation, moving from one hand to another across countless transactions. They collected scratches, marks, and signs of wear that gradually changed their appearance. As a result, examples that survived in exceptional condition became increasingly desirable. A coin with bright luster, sharp details, and minimal imperfections stands apart immediately. Such pieces preserve the appearance they had when they first left the mint, allowing collectors to experience a small piece of history exactly as it was originally created. Collectors are often fascinated by details that most people never notice. Tiny differences in strike quality, surface appearance, and overall preservation can dramatically influence a coin's desirability. This is why experienced collectors spend hours examining coins under magnification. They understand that remarkable discoveries often begin with careful observation. What looks ordinary to one person may reveal extraordinary qualities to another. The Connecticut Quarter offers countless opportunities for that kind of exploration. Another reason this coin remains popular is its connection to the beginning of the state quarters era. For many collectors, these quarters represent childhood memories, family activities, and the excitement of completing collections one coin at a time. The Connecticut Quarter carries that emotional connection because it was part of the first group released. Nostalgia can be a powerful force in collecting, helping coins maintain interest long after they first entered circulation. As the years pass, the number of outstanding examples naturally decreases. Coins are lost, damaged, spent, or permanently placed into private collections. This gradual reduction in high-quality survivors creates additional interest whenever exceptional examples appear. Collectors understand that opportunities to acquire beautifully preserved coins become more limited with time. The search for such pieces keeps the hobby exciting and encourages people to continue examining old collections and forgotten containers of change. The Connecticut Quarter also reminds us that value is not always tied to age or precious metals. Some of the most respected collectibles are admired because of their historical significance, artistic design, and cultural impact. This coin represents all three. It celebrates an important state, honors a legendary symbol, and played a role in one of the most successful coin programs ever introduced in the United States. Its significance extends far beyond its face value. In the end, the 1999 Connecticut State Quarter stands as a remarkable blend of history, symbolism, and collector appeal. It reminds us that extraordinary stories can be hidden within the most ordinary objects. Whether found in a collection, discovered in old change, or passed down through generations, this coin continues to inspire curiosity and admiration. More than 2 decades after its release, it remains a lasting reminder that sometimes the most memorable treasures are the ones people overlook every day.